guys, mag-prepare tayo nitong steam egg for tonight. Ayan. Ito yung gagamitin kong water. Ito ang gagamitin kong water para mas malasa siya. 3 eggs. Instead of water, gagamitin ko ay ito. Ayan, may pakalamerong bata na nangingialam. So, ayan, ang tatlo niyang egg. At saka, itong, read it. What is this? Read.
No MSG added clear chicken broth.
Very good. Do you want to prepare? Hoy! Put it down! Okay na. Do homework.
Prepare it.
No need. I need to steam pa the meat. So, ayan lang guys. 3 egg and then this one. Tapos, lalagyan ko siya ng meat. And then, steam lang for 10 minutes, right?
You cut it here and you pour it.
Yeah. So, ayun lang guys.
Then you add the eggs. Bye.
Bye.